Hi, this is Eric from Bore Repair Systems. Today we're going to show you the new hydraulic power package that we've developed for our line boring systems. We've got it hooked up to the EV series machine today. This is a 1 3/4 boring bar, and it's a very popular machine and for many reasons. One is the mid-size bar is very popular with people that repair heavy equipment. Lots of bores tend to be in the 2-inch range, so it's not practical to go to a 2 1/4 system. The 1 3/4 is perfect because it will handle those 2-inch bores without having to drop down to the 1 1/4 bar size and losing the rigidity. What's unique about our new power system here is it has a full variable motor up here. And the motor, unlike other systems where the variation is on the power pack, we actually put our variable knob up here so that the operator will be nearby the adjustment. We have a forward reverse here. This is a pressure valve here that will allow us to set the maximum pressure of the pump so that it's basically a safety feature. If you run into a hard spot in the bore, you can set this such that it will just stop in its tracks and not cause any damage to your cutter. So right now what I'm going to do is start this up. And one other thing I'd like to point out is that on this EV system, if you already have one of our EV systems, electric powered, this hydraulic power package, which consists of the pump and the motor and adjustments, hoses and so forth, this is all upgradable to your unit without any major modifications at all. Basically you just loosen the screws, pull out your electric motor, plug this system in, and it's ready to go. So let's start it up. Here you can see very broad RPM range. We have a bar speed RPM range with this system on the EV of essentially 0 up to about 140 at the bar. So that gives us the ability to do lots of things like facing, snapper and groove cutting, running carbide cutters, running high-speed steel cutters. We're not limited in any way to what we can do. Plus we have a tremendous amount of torque, so this system has plenty of power to run all the bore sizes that you're looking to cut, up to a 24-inch bore when using our DV6 system. So for this bore, we'll set it about midway, about 70 RPM or so. And with the EV, we can feed in either direction by simply engaging this pawl either direction. Taking about 100 thousandths cut on this bore right now. You can see it's with relative ease. No change in motor pitch, not even breaking the